get out of
as you can see, we get the road in this place. So Adeshewa is where you can buy now and smile later. This land is covered with certificate of occupancy, which is a receipt of home, and I'm clear out of the door. What are you waiting for? Adeshewa.
the customer relationship.